This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Wednesday, the 17th of July. This is James Spann. Another day of showers and thunderstorms. It is not raining everywhere, but like recent days, some spots getting a whopper of a downpour. So let's go right to the radar and understand we are live at 2:54. And like recent days, the showers and thunderstorms are moving today. A lot of times in summer, they sit there and they don't move much because of light winds aloft. But again, we have a trough approaching from the north and west. They're pushing the storms off to the east. So let's take a look at some of the heavier storms in progress. Again, at 2:54, pouring now from Childersburg down to near Fayetteville into Coosa County, especially over the western half of the county, west of Rockford. Again, nothing severe. That is, we have no large hail, no damaging wind, but these are packing quite a punch. Got active storms on the eastern side of the state, much of Cleburne County. Again, getting socked in with rain and storms up in the Tennessee Valley. Got scattered storms over parts of Lauderdale, Colbert, Limestone, Madison, Jackson counties. Showers down into parts of Lawrence, Winston, Marion, Fayette counties. Good cluster of showers over the eastern part of Walker County around Sipsey, Empire, down toward Dora and Summerton. And down to the south, a number of thunderstorms in progress south of US 80, parts of Wilcox, Monroe, Butler, Crenshaw, Pike, Bullock counties. Let's go down and check out the Gulf Coast region, and it is pouring, just pouring in downtown Mobile as we speak. And again, that cluster of storms moving off to the east. Heavy rain up to Creola, Satsuma, Saraland. Down the western shore of Mobile Bay. That'll be coming into the eastern shore soon. Daphne, Fairhope, over to Point Clear. Again, nothing severe. And let's check the southeastern corner of the state. Got some active storms over parts of Houston County. Pouring rain in Dothan now. Heavy storms extending on down to the south. So again, you can see a lot of folks are getting wet today, and like we often say, if you missed the rain today, you will have your chance in coming days as the coverage of showers and thunderstorms continues to increase. And again, all of these will be very efficient rain producers. Here's the upper air look, and again, you can see this trough approaching from the north and west. The upper ridge, the core of the upper high is well to the west. Visible satellite view, pockets of deep convection across Alabama in the deep south. And here's the radar composite, putting all the radars together. And that shows other scattered storms into Georgia, parts of South Mississippi, Louisiana, up into Tennessee. How about 77 in Tuscaloosa on July 17th? Come on now. We'll take that. Of course, that's rain-cooled air. Look at Pell City, 75. Gadsden, 79. Away from the storms. Some spots are above 90. But again, the heat levels are just not that bad. Still, there technically is a heat advisory for some of the western counties. But again, with the showers and storms around, really no heat concerns here. To the north and east, we have severe thunderstorm watches for parts of the Atlantic coast, the upper Atlantic coast. We got a risk of severe storms from really eastern Tennessee to Maine. A level 2 out of 5 risk from near Washington, D.C. and Baltimore up to Boston. Also, a chance of severe storms over the western high plains. Tomorrow, Thursday, marginal risks well to the east and west. And on day 3, Friday, marginal risk of severe storms over parts of the Great Plains. Look at rain for the next 7 days, and hey, the pattern looking pretty wet here. As I talked about this morning, it's very rare to see numbers like this in the middle of summer unless a tropical storm or hurricane is involved. But this is the rain valid through Wednesday morning of next week, suggesting most places will see anywhere between 2 and 4 inches of rain. A very beneficial pattern setting up here, and most likely the unsettled weather will continue through the end of July. And again, the tropics are not involved here. That's the 2-day outlook. This is the 7-day outlook. Tropical storms, hurricanes not expected across the Atlantic basin for at least the next 7 days. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Got the trough beating down the ridge. The upper high is shifted out west. And again, we'll see a number of showers and thunderstorms around tomorrow. Many spots will stay under 90. Go to Friday, same thing, mostly cloudy. Good chance of occasional showers and storms, not raining all day. Highs low to mid 80s. Hey, 10 degrees below average. And that's going to be the story for the weekend. This is Saturday and this is Sunday. And understand, I get so many questions about specific events. And obviously, here on Wednesday, we don't have any skill in telling people exactly when and where it will rain. But for anywhere in Alabama, occasional showers and storms are likely both Saturday and Sunday. A lot of clouds around, highs only in the mid-80s. So heat, not a problem, but just be aware if you got something planned outdoors, there's going to be rain falling at times. And the pattern stays the same next week. This is Monday. This is Tuesday. And a week from today, Wednesday, the 24th of July, again, same thing. We've got the ridge centers east and west of here, a weakness in the ridge right across the southern states, and again, deep tropical moisture, a number of showers and thunderstorms around. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday, July 27th. And again, you see there's just not a really strong ridge here. And again, that should open the door for a number of showers and thunderstorms. And check this out. This is pretty remarkable. So this is through August 1st. Rain for Birmingham coming off the European Ensemble. And some of the ensemble members are up there over 8 inches. But the mean is what you look for, and the mean keeps creeping up. It's over 5 inches between now and the 1st of August. Some really remarkable midsummer rain. And again, that's a good thing. I just do not like droughts. I do not like heat waves. My two least favorite kind of weather issues to deal with. And it's certainly, we're not going to have that problem if this verifies, and we think it will. Check out the numbers off the National Blend of Models for Birmingham. 90 tomorrow. After that, 80s for the next 10 days. 83 on Friday. 85 on Saturday and Sunday. 80s next week, with lows around 70. And the latest 8 to 14-day guidance just in, hot off the presses, showing temperatures a little below average across Texas, extending into parts of northwest Alabama. So look at this storm structure. This was a photograph taken from Daphne, looking at the storm that's over Mobile. Pretty impressive. Almost looks like a lenticular type cloud there. But again, let's go back to the radar. And if you're just joining us here, we're live at 3:01 on this Wednesday afternoon. And again, storms are not severe by classic definition. But again, they are packing a punch. There's one cluster of heavy storms from near Childersburg down to Sylacauga and Rockford. In southern Talladega and Coosa counties, tremendous amounts of rain. These are very efficient rain producers. Precipitable water values are high. A whole bunch of lightning with these. And strong gusty winds. There's always the chance of a wet microburst somewhere. Much of Cleburne County getting rain and storms. Scattered storms up in Cherokee and DeKalb counties, raining around Fort Payne, up on Lookout Mountain. Scattered showers and storms over the Tennessee Valley, down into parts of west and northwest Alabama. Let's go down south and check out that big downpour coming into Mobile Bay. I mean, that is just a huge amount of rain. From the intersection of I-65 and US 43 near Creola, right down into Mobile, down toward the Causeway, and over the western shore. And again, those thunderstorms will be coming over the eastern shore here pretty soon. Spanish Fort, obviously, is raining there now. Rain's about to start in Daphne, Fairhope, Point Clear. And again, that's a huge downpour there. And in southeast Alabama, got heavy rain falling. Rain is falling in Dothan, not especially heavy. Heavier storms down to the south of Dothan, down toward Cottonwood. And again, all this will be slowly diminishing, but with a trough approaching, understand we might see some convection lingering through the night tonight. We'll maintain the chance of scattered showers and storms. You know, the bottom line is for tomorrow, Friday, and the weekend, unsettled. A lot of clouds, occasional showers and storms. Daytime temperatures well below average. Wow. Had a great time today out at Fairhaven, the retirement community in Birmingham. Tomorrow, be at Canterbury United Methodist Church for a program for the Encore Community Respite Ministry. And then after that, a program for Grace Klein Ministries at Liberty Church. Friday, going to be in Sylacauga for a summer program there for kids. And Saturday, hey, we're coming to Prattville. Can't wait. Love coming to Autauga County. Going to be there from 10 until 1 o'clock. And again, just checking to be sure I got the right time. Yeah, 10 to 1. Prattville Saturday at the West Main Coffee House and Creamery, right there in the middle of downtown on Main Street, right by Atauga Creek. And it's going to be good. We've got all the books, our children's books. They're amazing. We love those. The Benny and Chipper series for kids. All you can do is pray, Weathering Life. All the shirts. My favorite new weather T-shirts they've got with Crest Publishers. It just says Weather Dweeb. I like that. I need that shirt. In fact, I'm going to buy one Saturday. But come see us, 10 to 1, Prattville on Saturday. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, right across the hall in Studio A, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.